Turning old clothes into trendy new outfits isn't just a craft, it's a movement, a rebellion against fast fashion and a celebration of individuality. Imagine standing in front of your closet, looking at clothes you haven't worn in years, and instead of seeing junk, you see raw material. That old flannel shirt, it can be cut into a crop top or tied around the waist as a stylish accessory. That faded t-shirt, it can become a tote bag, a workout tank, or even cozy loungewear. Those jeans with a hole in the knee, that's not a flaw. That's the perfect starting point for a distressed, edgy fashion statement. The possibilities are endless when you start seeing clothes as transformable. Add a little fabric dye, and suddenly, a dull white tee explodes into a tie-dye masterpiece. Grab some scissors and you've got fringe, cutouts, or a brand new silhouette. Even something as simple as swapping buttons on a jacket or sewing on colorful patches can breathe new life into a forgotten piece. These small transformations don't just save money, they help you stand out in a world where everyone is chasing the same trends from the same stores. And let's talk about the impact. Every time you reinvent an outfit, you're reducing textile waste. Millions of tons of clothing end up in landfills every year because people throw them away instead of reusing them. By upcycling, you're doing your part to protect the planet while still looking stylish. Plus, there's pride in wearing something you created. When someone asks, "Where'd you get that?" you can proudly say, "I made it from an old shirt." That confidence and originality are worth more than any brand label. DIY clothing also allows you to adapt to your lifestyle. Have an old hoodie, crop it, and pair it with high-waisted jeans for a casual but trendy look. Need gym shorts? Cut up worn-out sweatpants. Want festival fashion? Add sequins or studs to an old denim jacket, and you're instantly ready to stand out. Every single item becomes customizable to your taste, your vibe, and your personality. The truth is, style isn't about how much money you spend, it's about how creative you are with what you have. When you start repurposing your wardrobe, you stop being just a consumer. You become a creator. And the best part? Every outfit you design tells a story, a little piece of your imagination stitched, painted, or cut into reality. So don't underestimate that pile of unwanted clothes in your room. Hidden in them are your next favorite outfits, waiting for your scissors, your paintbrush, or your vision. Fashion doesn't have to be bought. It can be made, remade, and reborn. Turning old clothes into trendy new outfits isn't just DIY. It's self-expression, it's sustainability, and it's style with soul.